If you're looking to simplify managing your applications on Windows 11, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the End Task option directly from the taskbar. This feature can be incredibly useful for quickly closing unresponsive programs. So let's dive right in. Now, Windows 11 doesn't include a direct End Task option on the taskbar by default, but with a few tweaks you can manage your task a lot easier. First, you need to open Task Manager. You can do this by quickly pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus S. If the Task Manager doesn't open up immediately, you can also right-click on the Start button and select Task Manager. Once Task Manager is open, make sure you're in the More Details view. If you see only a few details, click on More Details at the bottom. This will expand Task Manager to show more information about running application and processes. Next, we need to access Task Manager setting. Click on the option menu at the top of the Task Manager. From the drop-down menu, select Always on Top. This ensures Task Manager stays visible while you work with other windows. To add an End Task shortcut to your taskbar, you need to create a shortcut to Task Manager itself. Right-click on your desktop, select New and then Shortcut. In the Location field, type taskmgr.exe and then click on Next. Now name your shortcut something like Task Manager and click Finish. Now that you have a Task Manager shortcut on your desktop, right-click on it and select Pin to Taskbar. With Task Manager pinned to your taskbar, you can quickly click on it to open Task Manager. From here, you can select any application or process that's not responding and click End Task to close it. And there you have it. You've now got an easy way to access and use Task Manager directly from your taskbar, making it quick and simple to manage unresponsive programs.